Welcome to Footsteps and Tire Tracks, and today I am going to start a new series of videos, and it's going to be about Android car launchers. Now yes, I've done a couple of videos already about Android car launchers, but a couple of comments I've had, I've skipped over too many of the features a bit too briefly. So I've researched it a lot more, and I've thought deeply about how I'm going to do this. Would you believe at the moment I've got a list of nearly 50 launchers, not all necessarily Android car launchers, but launchers that could potentially be used in a car head unit, anyway, Android car unit that is. So what I'm going to do is all the major ones I'm going to do individual videos on, like if I go down through some of the ones I've got here now, I've got, Car Web Guru, Agama, Car Launcher Pro, Doodoo, FCC, Vivid, Auto-Zen. As I come down through, who else can I see that you may well know? Car Launcher Extreme. We got Joyan launchers there. There's lots and lots and lots of launchers. I've actually created a spreadsheet of all the launchers, and I'm updating it daily because people I've had messages on the other ones telling me about other launchers I'm not sure about, telling me about projects that are up and coming or in beta stages at the moment. So I've gone and had a look at these launchers as well. Some of them I'm struggling with, that they won't actually install properly. And that's because I'm going to do everything in the studio rather than do it on the car when I can. Now I'm using a Samsung tablet to do all the installs on, and that way we can work through it very systematically and hopefully be consistent in all the videos we do. Now, I have filmed a few already, and the first one that you're going to see will be Car Web Guru, and we will start launching the videos probably every couple of days. I'll probably keep to my normal schedule, which is Wednesdays and Saturdays, and we'll just launch them like that, and hopefully they won't be too long. I think I'm going to try and keep them to a maximum of about half an hour, even for the more complex launches. I don't want to go so deep into it that it becomes just a boring mess. Hopefully it won't be. Hopefully it's going to be informative, and the videos are going to be able to show you just what's available. If you just want to see a brief overview, please go and have a look at my other videos. Now the spreadsheet I'm creating will be available down below for download, and if you want, I'm trying to buy every launcher I test. I'm not. In fact, there's a free version and a pro version, of paid version. I am going to try and purchase it every time, unless it's one of these ones. There's a couple now that are doing like a monthly payment, so they may not get on the paid for link. But if you feel you would like me to do that as well, if you want to help us out and just contribute a little bit, that may well help us along and encourage us to purchase a few more. Now, one or two I have noticed already have you buy one but you get 5 licenses. One in particular I've been looking at, and I won't say now, but when we come to that one, I think what I'll do is, obviously I'm going to use one license, but when we come to that video, we'll give away the other 4 licenses, and we'll have a little bit of fun, we'll have a little competition or something like that, just to make it a bit more fun, and that's something for you guys to look forward to. It might not be the launcher you want, who knows, but it might be just the one you've been thinking about getting and haven't quite hit the button yet. So that's something to look forward to. The spreadsheet will be download as well, and I'm also at some stage, and it'll probably be at the very end of all these videos, I'm going to try and compile a list of essential Android apps for in the car or in the van if you're traveling in a van, because we do a lot of van stuff as well. So it'll be like an Android car travel essential list. So if you think you've got something that might add to that, please tell me. It might be something. I'm building up another spreadsheet for that, and that will also be available for download, and I will update them. So if you download it now and then I add a few more, it will be available on the same link to download at a later stage. I'm just working on that at the moment to make the spreadsheets available, so it will be down below when you're watching this video. So that's the plans, and the very first video, like I say, is going to be Car Web Guru. That will be out in a couple of days' time. I'm just in the process of editing that now. And hopefully I'm going to cover everything that everybody's talking about, everything that you want to see. And if I miss something, or if you think there's something I really should know about, please tell me down below. Why does Alexa always do that? Anyway, so if there's anything else you think I should really know about, please tell me down below and let's have a conversation about it. Or if you think there's something I've done and you don't really agree with, in my previous videos, about Android car launchers, tell me down below. Let's have a discussion about it, and or anything you think to do with Android car launchers, Android head units. Let's have a talk. Anyway, I'm going to keep this video brief. This is more of an update of telling you what's up and coming, and hopefully you'll enjoy this little series. This is like a filler until we start doing some more of our travel stuff, and we got a big project coming up, a couple of big projects coming up. Anyway, I'm going to shut up about that because you don't want to know about that. Anyway, let's bring this video to an end because I just want it to be, give you a little bit of a heads up of what we're actually thinking about now, and we'll see you in the very next video, hopefully, guys. Look after yourselves. See you very soon. Bye. Oh, and if you haven't watched the Android car launcher videos, they're going to be here now. See you later. Bye.